Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to run a macro that opens many links at once. Make sure macros are allowed. First, select the column of URLs and note its first and last row. Once done, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor and insert a new module. Don't procrastinate, paste the macro code I'll describe next. You do this because VBA can automate browser calls faster and more reliably than manual clicking, saving minutes when you have dozens of links. Now you add the macro that iterates the range and opens each address. You'll paste code that checks each cell for valid URL, then calls follow hyperlink or shell to launch the default browser. This is why you test on 3 to 5 links first, to confirm behavior and avoid mass junk tabs. Make sure to change the range reference to your actual column and row numbers, then save the file as an XLSM macro-enabled workbook so Excel retains your script. You can run the macro directly or assign it to a ribbon button for repeat use. Once executed, Excel will open each valid URL in your default browser. If you have many links, batch them in groups of 5-10 to avoid browser overload and rate limits. Finally, if nothing opens, check macro security, confirm your default browser is set, and add the file folder to trusted locations. That troubleshooting step fixes most failures caused by blocked automation or incorrect system defaults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.